Today I'm going to be showing you the expectations for our first major TinkerCAD assignment, TinkerCAD Basics. With this one, TinkerCAD is going to walk us through how to use some of the different tools and give us challenges to help us learn how to use those tools. So what you should do first is log into TinkerCAD. We have the link here, or you've just created a TinkerCAD link on your bookmarks bar that you can use as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the TinkerCAD link that's provided in the assignment, and I'm going to split my screen the way that you see here. So please pause the tutorial and split the screen the way that you see mine here. Okay, to log in, we're going to log in with a student account. So we're going to click on student account here. And we're going to sign in with Google. Now I'm a teacher, so I'm not going to sign in with Google as a student. I'm going to sign in as a teacher, but I'm still going to sign in with Google. You do the same. Okay, so I'm going to click on, as the teacher, I'm going to click on educator and sign in with Google. Okay, so now that we are signed in, I'm going to go back to my assignment page, and then we're going to, like it says, return to the assignment page and click on Let's Learn TinkerCAD. So it's going to pop up in this window. I'm going to move it to my other one. Okay, so as you can see, I've already completed each of these tasks, and that's really all I wanted to go over with you right now. It says for number 4, start the project by hovering over getting started, navigation and menus, that's right here, and clicking start. So yours will have start here. Mine does not, okay, because I've already completed. You're going to complete each stage on your own. When you have finished each of the 5, so there are 5 sections of the project, download each finished project to submit to Canvas. So let's say I'm going to go on my getting started for those of you who are doing this for the first time, and on the left-hand side will be a list of instructions for the challenge. So I need to move my menu here. We can continue. I'm already on the end, so I'm going to go back to the beginning as if I hadn't. I'm going to complete each task by reading through what TinkerCAD has here. It's going to give you the tools that you need, the knowledge that you need to be able to use each of their tools. When I'm done, I'm going to click next, and it will take me to my next instruction. So I'm going to complete through each of these, and then when I'm done, I'm going to follow the download instructions by clicking send to and downloading a picture of my design. I'm going to download it to my desktop. In my last housekeeping tutorial, you should have changed your download settings to desktop. So make sure that that is done before you move on. Okay, so it says when you have finished each of the 5 sections, you're going to download them for Canvas. Don't change the file names, you don't need to. And as you can see, what I have done is I have added my name already to the assignment. So when you are done, before you download each of the projects, make sure you add your name to it, and then you don't have to add your name to the file because I will see your name is here already. You can just put your first and last name on there using the text tool. Okay, so that will be instead of writing changing any of the file names, just use the file names that they use. The only one that you're going to make a file name of is the screenshot of the menu page. So if I go back to my menu page, where it's all of the ones are completed and it shows as completed, I'm going to take a screenshot of this here. So just a reminder, looking at your keys when you're in the classroom, which is where you should be doing your work anyway. If I hold down the shift button and also the command button and also the number 4, I can take a screenshot. If I don't like the view that I'm using, I can hit escape before I let go of my mouse, and that little screenshot will disappear and not save. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that, and that's the only one that I'm going to change the file name of to change it to your first and last name. So if your name is Jane Doe, you're going to change it to Jane Doe TinkerCAD Basics. Okay, so you're going to be submitting each of those. And again, as you can see, my name is somewhere on each of these work planes, so I don't have to change the file name at all. it's going to already be there. For testing your navigation skills, all it really wants you to do is be able to read the text. So you're going to type that text on the box, on the work plane using the text so that I know that you know what the words say. For moving, rotating, and scaling objects, you're going to make sure that you download the picture of the um, triangle where you have changed its rotation and things like that. Okay. So again, you're going to be submitting 6 screenshots for this assignment. If you look down below underneath this video, you can see what each of the screenshots should look like, so that I can see that you actually learned something from each of those challenges, and then that's what you're going to submit into me. And the only one that you need to change the name of is the menu page. Every other one, make sure you add your name somewhere, so that I can see that it's actually your project. Okay.